Hi everyone, I'm going to be telling you about what are the main concepts which you need to know in Java. So first concept is that everyone knows that Java is object oriented. So you need to know what are the OOPS concepts, and another one is exception handling, and next thing is multi-threading. So in those things, these are the main topics you need to know. So and you need to know what are the topics which are come under OOPS concept, as well as exception handling, how it's been working, and what is multi-threading and how it's been used. These are the things you need to know mainly in Java. And if you know this concept means you can go for advanced process as a collections concept, which is come under a framework. So this is a separate framework. If you know collections concept means you will be reading through that what is array list and its list concept, as well as other like q, nq, dq and all those things, as well as you will be reading that what are the hash, what is hash map and what is hash set, all those things you will be reading through. And these are the advanced concept which you need to thorough on Java.